Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of yoga. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, you'll be amazed at how yoga can transform your life. We're going to explore how this ancient practice can benefit not just your body, but your mind and spirit as well. So get ready to unroll your mat and embark on a journey of self-discovery and holistic wellness. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of yoga: flexibility. We all have that one spot that feels a little tighter than the rest, right? Maybe it's your hamstrings calling out during forward folds, or your hips feeling a bit sticky in twists. The beauty of yoga is that it meets you where you are. With consistent practice, those tight spots start to loosen up, and you'll find yourself moving with more ease and grace. It's not about forcing anything, it's about breathing into those areas of resistance and finding more space within. Remember, every time you step on the mat, you're cultivating patience, self-compassion, and a deep connection with your body. Yoga isn't just about stretching, it's about building strength as well. We're talking about that deep inner strength that empowers you both on and off the mat. Think about poses like plank or warrior two. They might make you shake at first, but that's your body firing up those muscles and building serious endurance. And it's not just about physical strength. Yoga helps us cultivate mental resilience too. We learn to breathe through challenges, find our center in the midst of chaos, and approach life's obstacles with a sense of grounded confidence. Have you ever noticed how yoga poses often involve standing on one leg or finding your center of gravity? That's no accident. Balance is a key element of yoga, and it translates beautifully into our daily lives. When we practice balancing poses, we're not just strengthening our physical equilibrium, we're also training our minds to stay steady and focused amidst distractions. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, but a consistent yoga practice can help you weather those storms with grace and resilience. Easing the ache, yoga for pain relief. So many of us are living with chronic pain, whether it's in our backs, necks, or joints. And while it's always important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional, yoga can be a powerful tool for finding relief. Gentle stretches and strengthening poses can work wonders in alleviating pain and improving mobility. Imagine a gentle spinal twist releasing tension in your back, or a supported forward fold, easing tightness in your hips. Yoga isn't about pushing through pain, it's about moving with awareness and compassion, honoring your body's limits and finding more ease with each breath. Get your heart pumping yoga for cardiovascular health. Did you know that yoga can be a fantastic workout for your heart? It's true. While it's often associated with gentle stretching, there are many styles of yoga that are more dynamic and vigorous, such as vinyasa or ashtanga. These flowing sequences get your heart rate up, improve circulation, and build cardiovascular endurance. And the best part, you're not just working your body, you're calming your mind and connecting with your breath at the same time. Breathe deep, enhancing respiratory efficiency through pranayama. One of the most transformative aspects of yoga is the emphasis on breath, or pranayama. Pranayama involves conscious control of the breath, and it has incredible benefits for our physical and mental well-being. Through practices like deep belly breathing, alternate nostril breathing, and lion's breath, we learn to expand our lung capacity, increase oxygenation, and calm the nervous system. The next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, try taking a few deep breaths and notice how it shifts your entire state of being. Happy belly, happy life yoga for digestive health. Our gut health plays a huge role in our overall well-being, and yoga can be a powerful ally in supporting healthy digestion. Many yoga poses involve twists, compressions, and inversions that gently massage the internal organs, stimulating digestion and detoxification. Think about a seated spinal twist, wringing out the digestive tract, or a gentle forward fold, compressing the belly. When we move our bodies with awareness and intention, we're also nurturing our digestive system and promoting optimal gut health. Namaste and keep practicing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more yoga tips and tutorials. Remember, Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and enjoy the incredible benefits of this transformative practice. Namaste.